Yummy, 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 yummy. Very. It is a beautiful sister from Blue City, Mary, and I can't tell cool up, but I don't know good English. Try this recipe, guys, and tell me what you think about it. Very nice, delicious. Four eggs, sugar, ground clove, ground cinnamon, 1 cup of butter, half of our cream cheese. Once you mix everything together, add your 3 packages of cornmeal. That's the brand I'm using. Mix well. You get our mix, add in your milk. So we'll be adding our last milk, which is 1, 2. So I use 1 cup and I use 1, 2. That's the 2 cups of milk that I added. So yeah. This is it. I will make sure it's ready. You want to take but not too thick. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Make sure you spray your baking tray. If you don't have spray, just butter your baking tray. Let's go in the oven. Oh my God, our cornbread is ready. Guys, this is the best. If you never try anything from my kitchen, you need to try the cornbread. Try it, baby. Try it. If you never try anything from my kitchen, try this cornbread. If you never try any of my recipe, make sure you try this cornbread. If you don't have the cream cheese, forget about the cream cheese, but go with every other thing that I use. Baby, yes, this cornbread. So, boom.